Hey guys, I'm Jade. Today is my LeetCode review vlog on the 21st problem, merge two sorted lists. We are given the heads of two sorted linked lists, list 1 and list 2. We have to merge the two lists into one sorted list. The list should be made by splicing together the nodes of the first two lists. We have to return the head of the merged linked list. Let's see example 1 here to understand it easily. We got list 1, 1, 2, 4, and list 2, 1, 3, 4. After merging, the final result linked list is 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Then, let's get started with the intuition to solve the problem. So the keyword is compare and link. And the detailed step is we can compare the current nodes of both lists from list 1 and list 2. We'll append the smaller one to a result list and move the pointer forward in that list. And we'll repeat this process until all nodes from both lists are consumed. Then, let's get started with the code and very detailed annotations to solve the problem. For the very first step, we have to create a dummy node. Started at list node of -1. Next, we'll create a current variable, which is the pointer to help us point to the next node. Let's say it started at dummy node. Then, we'll create a while loop to help us traverse both lists and compare each node. We'll continue as long as there are elements in both lists to compare. And the code is while list 1 is not equal to null and list 2 should also not equal to null. And inside the while loop, we have to decide which node to attach behind the current node based on their smaller value. If list 1 dot value is less than or equal to list 2 dot value. In this case, we'll link the smaller node to the merge list, and the smaller node is the list 1. So the code is current.next equals list 1. And then we also have to move forward in list 1. So the code is update list 1 to list 1.next. Then on the other hand, which means list 1.value is bigger than list 2.value. In this case, we'll update current.next equals list 2. And we also have to move the list 2 pointer one step forward, list 2.next. And out of the if condition, we also have to move the merged list pointer one step forward, which is the current pointer equals current.next. And after the while loop, if one of the lists is not exhausted, we have to link the remainder. And the code is, let's check the list 1 first. If list 1 is not equal to null. In this case, we'll make current pointer dot next equals list 1. And else if list 2 is not equal to null, we'll update current.next equals list 2. And there's a third condition. If list 1 and list 2 are both null, then we won't append any node. In the very final state, we have to return the merge list, and that's the node of dummy.next. Then let's check the correctness. And this is because the dummy node is a placeholder, and the dummy.next is the head of our merged linked list. Yes, our code got accepted. And let's analyze the time and space complexity. So the time complexity is big O of m plus n. And n and m are the lengths of the two lists, list 1 and list 2. And each element from the list 1 and list 2 are only processed one time. So the overall time complexity is big O of n plus m. And the space complexity is big O of 1. This is because we just only create several variables to help us solve the problem, and the number of the variable is constant. And this is the end of my LeetCode review vlog on the merge to sorted list problem. And I highly recommend you guys to visit my online GitHub page here. You can see all the notes for the top 150 LeetCode problems here. And for each problem, you can see problem description, intuition, Java code with annotations, and the final complexity analysis. You can also visit my GitHub repository here, which contains the codes, notes to build the online GitHub page here. And thank you guys for watching. I'll also put those two links on my YouTube description below. And see you next time. Bye bye.